How to reset DeLonghi Dinamica Coffee Machine. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to reset the DeLonghi Dinamica Coffee Machine. So without further ado, let us begin. So for step 1, when DeLonghi Dinamica is turned on, press the menu button once. So the menu button will be located here, so just press that once. And then after that, what you want to do is to use the arrows to select General on DeLonghi Coffee Maker display and confirm by clicking OK. So just use the arrows to navigate your way around the display and then just press OK to confirm. Then after that, for step 3, then find the default values and click OK key once again. For step 4, when the reset question appears on display, confirm it by pressing the OK button. Then after that, give the coffee machine a few moments to complete the whole operation. For step 6, when you see the reset complete message, click the escape button to go to the main menu. So when you see the reset complete message over here in the screen, you can now go back to the main menu and then you are done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to reset the DeLonghi Dinamica Coffee Machine. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.